Application tutorial of colorful letter lights. Contains letters, controller, mounting screws, double-sided tape, and a connecting cable for the next letter. It can be installed on the desktop, wall, or fixed to the wall with screws using double-sided tape. Multiple letters can be connected, allowing for the splicing of holiday phrases, names, and other decorations or nightlights. For installation using double-sided tape, please first clean the desktop and ensure that the wall surface is a solid one, such as tile, cement, wood, metal, etc. If the wall surface is plastered, it is recommended to use screws for installation as the double-sided tape may become detached. Screw fixation. If you purchase multiple letters, this connection cable is used to connect the next letter. Please note that the first letter out connects to the next letter in. The controller defaults to 4 letters. If you exceed 4 letters, please configure the number of lights through the app. If you do not set the following letters, they will not light up. It is recommended to use a maximum of 20 letters. If you use more than 4 letters, you will need to configure the number of lights in the app. Each letter requires 5 pixels, so for example, 10 letters will require 50 pixels. USB power supply, mobile phone charger, power bank, computer, etc. Support for wire control and App Store downloads. MacBook can be controlled through a mobile phone. For detailed app installation instructions, please see the app usage tutorial.